My next video lecture is on the biased. So biased means giving some input. Okay, so here I can say I'm applying some biased voltage, like in a battery voltage we can take, like a VB here. So here in the biased series positive clippers, we are going to clip the positive part of the signal. But whenever we are applying some biased voltage, what happens? We are going to remove certain part of the portion part of the positive signal. Means we are not going to remove the complete part of the positive signal or a positive waveform. We are going to remove only certain portion of the positive part of the signal. So how it is going to happen means by using some bias. So I am going to apply some bias voltage. So this is the circuit diagram for the biased series positive clippers. So generally there will be an input voltage Vi and the output voltage V0, and here the diode and the resistor R and the battery voltage. So in terms we can refer as a reference voltage, or we can say as it's a battery voltage. So whenever we know that, what we have known that whenever in the positive side of the clippers, normally without biasing, what happens whenever apply a positive voltage, this diode does not conduct here. Okay, so it does not conduct, it is an open switch and complete nothing voltage will be appeared across the output. But here what happens, there is a battery voltage in between. What it does here, whenever apply a positive voltage, this positive voltage make this diode a reverse bias. But applying some bias voltage here to the diode, this bias voltage or a battery voltage make this diode to conduct in a forward bias. How? Why? Because here my positive terminal of the battery voltage is connected to the positive terminal of the diode, and negative part of the battery voltage is connected to the negative part of the terminal of the diode. So in one side this input voltage makes the diode reverse bias, and another side the battery voltage makes the diode the forward bias. Means that if I apply input voltage which is greater than the battery voltage, then the diode conducts. The diode makes, when the input voltage makes the diode conducting in reverse bias. In reverse bias means there will be no current flow or a voltage flow, right? But if I increase a battery voltage or a bias voltage here, making that the input voltage, means the input voltage is less than battery voltage, means my battery voltage is very high, making that the diode conducts. So what are the certain portion of the positive signal that will be appeared at the output, means only some part of the portion, when my input voltage is greater than the battery voltage, that portion will be clipped off, but remaining portion will be appeared across the output. This is the when we are applying the positive part of the signal. When we are applying the negative part of the signal, so negative part of the signal makes this diode forward bias, and already from the battery voltage the diode is in forward bias, so there is no problem. Whatever the input voltage, it appeared across its voltage, means there are in a, so this voltage whatever appeared here, this is coming across here, that is negative voltage will be coming here. Means what we are doing, we are in the positive part we are clipping certain portion, and remaining part of the positive we are going to use. Means here in the by using the biased clippers, we are clipping only the that some portion of the positive waveform in the positive clippers. When coming similarly, if I apply that bias for the negative clippers, let's move on to the negative clippers, what will happen. So this is a circuit diagram for the negative clippers. So what happens in the negative clippers, when I apply the positive voltage, this diode in the forward bias. Yes, why? Because the positive waveform of this voltage is connected to positive terminal of the diode, and negative is connected to the negative terminal of the diode. So diode is in forward bias, not a problem. And from the battery voltage also, this diode is conducting in forward bias, means complete this voltage is traveling, is appearing across the output voltage. But when comes to the negative part of the waveform, the diode becomes reverse bias. Okay, but by battery voltage it is in forward bias itself, but from the input negative part of the signal, this diode becomes reverse bias. Means until if I my input voltage is greater than battery voltage, my diodes will be in reverse bias, means there will be no flow of current. But if I increase my battery voltage saying that Vin is less than Vb, then diode will be conducting forward bias, saying that some portion of the signal will be appeared across the output. That is, some negative part of the signal is going to be appeared and remaining part, dotted lines, will be clipped off. I'm sure representing the clipped off the portion, other part in a dotted lines. So on certain minus Vb, we can say that that portion will be restored. This is about the biased series positive clippers and biased series negative clippers. Thank you for watching my videos.